Smriti Irani is back at the center of the BJP's national organization. The former union minister has been appointed the National General Secretary position in BJP President Nitin Nabeen's new team. But this is more than just another organizational appointment. Smriti Irani's journey has taken her from the ordinary jobs in Delhi to television stardom and becoming a union minister and one of the BJP's most recognizable political face. So what does her comeback really mean? Hello and welcome viewers, you're watching the Sunday Guardian and I'm Ashia. And let's start with the journey. Smriti Irani was born in Delhi 1976, grew up in a middle class family. She is the eldest of the three sisters. Even before the television, she worked several jobs. She promoted beauty products door to door, worked at MACD and later moved into modeling. She was also a finalist in 1998 Femina Miss India pageant. Her big break came on television when she became a household name, Tulsi Virani, in the serial Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi. But television was not only the beginning of her journey. Irani joined the BJP in 2003 and gradually moved into party politics. She became a BJP spokesperson, headed the party's women wings and later entered the parliament through the Rajya Sabha. And in 2014, she became the union minister in the Narendra Modi government. Over the years, she handled important portfolios including like human resources development, textiles, information and broadcasting, and women and the child development. But the biggest chapter of her political career was Amethi. In 2014, Irani challenged Rahul Gandhi and his family's stronghold. She lost but returned 5 years later. In 2019, she defeated Rahul Gandhi in Amethi, earning the BJP's giant killer tag. But in 2024, the story changed. Irani lost in Amethi to Congress candidate KL Sharma by more than 1.6 lakh votes. She was subsequently out of the Union Council of Ministers and away from a major frontline organizational role. But now she's back. In Nitin Nabeen's new team, Irani has been appointed the National General Secretary, and she is the only woman among the BJP's 8 General Secretaries. While the wider team has also been increased representation of the women, and her return is therefore significant, but there is one important distinction. There is already speculation that the BJP has brought back its giant killer specifically for the Uttar Pradesh, especially with the 2027 assembly election ahead. But no specific Uttar Pradesh responsibility has been announced for the Irani yet. So saying that she has been brought back specifically to lead the BJP's UP strategy would be an interpretation, not an official assignment. What we do know is that BJP has brought back one of the most recognizable women campaigner with experience in both government and the party organization. Her political journey has been both major victories and major electoral defeat. Now she has another important role inside the BJP. She will be focusing on the national organizational work. Will she be given a specific state responsibility, or could the Uttar Pradesh become part of her next political assignment? But for now, the clearest takeaway is this: the BJP has brought back its best known women campaigner. And what it has not done yet is give Smriti Irani Uttar Pradesh. And that distinction matters when we look at what this comeback really means. Thank you for watching.